So we're gonna go ahead and get started. This is the IMethod Beauty waterproof, smudge-proof, long-lasting winged eyeliner stamp. So this is what it looks like. Well, the packaging. It says it's 10 mm. And it says, let's see, it's IMethod Beauty. Shake before use. Store it horizontally to ensure an ink flow to the stamp. Do not expose to heat. Never apply this product in a moving vehicle. Do not use with any other eye cosmetic if you are injured. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Only like 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's raining out and it's really dark. So I went ahead and brought my ring light out. So that's why it may look a little brighter than normal. So one is the left wing stamp and the other is the right wing stamp. So I guess we'll just do my right side first. That's what the stamp looks like. This is the right wing stamp. So let's go ahead and do this. You'll probably hear Jacob in the background playing his video game. Hope you guys can see this. Oh my goodness. That did a lot better than I thought it was gonna do. There's a little bleeding there at the end, but that could just be from me and how I was holding it. I do shake a little bit. Let's go ahead and do the left one and then we'll fix it with the liner. And this is the left stamp. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, I think I definitely did the right one a lot better than the left, but hopefully we can fix that. So let's take the actual liner now. And this is what the liner looks like. So let's go ahead and fix this one up, which really I don't have to do much to this one. This is really nice. Wow. How does that look, you guys? Now let's fix this left one that I did not do as well as I did the right one on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take some concealer and just clean the bottom of that up a little bit. But as you guys can tell, I did the right one. Like, that was perfect. Hopefully you guys can see how thin and nice of a wing that is. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and put some mascara on, clean this side up a little bit, and I'll be right back. So I'm back, you guys. I just put a little mascara on and cleaned up the wing, and I'm pleasantly surprised because I have tried another makeup brand that also has a wing stamp liner. I'm not going to say the brand, but this one really surprised me because the other one I did not like at all. I don't know if it was just my technique of doing it or what it was. It was a while ago, but I definitely like this. I think I do need just a little more practice on applying the stamp on the left eye, but I think I did the right one really well, and I will definitely be using this again. This is the IMethod Beauty wing stamped eyeliner, and yeah, I was just coming on here to show you guys my first impressions on it and what I thought. And yeah, I will definitely be using her again. And I love the liner, and I like how there's a liner on each side of the pen. So yeah, that's it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.